Hello and welcome back to our Businessverse Madness. Today, we're diving into a fascinating rivalry between two of history's greatest inventors, Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison. But what many people may not know is that a brilliant woman named Marguerite Westinghouse played a crucial role in sparking the war of currents. Join us as we uncover the untold story of Marguerite Westinghouse and her impact on the epic battle between Tesla and Edison. The genius inventors. Before we delve into Marguerite's role, let's briefly introduce the genius inventors at the heart of this tale. Nikola Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor, was known for his contributions to alternating current, AC, electricity, wireless communication, and numerous other groundbreaking technologies. Thomas Edison, on the other hand, was an American inventor, holding over 1,000 patents, including the practical electric light bulb and the direct current (DC) system. In the late 19th century, as the world was transitioning from gas lighting to electricity, these two brilliant minds engaged in a fierce competition to establish their respective electrical systems as the dominant standard. To Marguerite Westinghouse's background now, let's introduce the woman at the center of this rivalry. Marguerite Westinghouse. Born in 1842, Marguerite was the wife of George Westinghouse, a prominent industrialist and inventor. George Westinghouse's company was a key player in the emerging electricity industry, and he was a strong supporter of Nikola Tesla and his alternating current system. Marguerite was a highly educated and intelligent woman, far ahead of her time. While many women of her era were limited to traditional roles, Marguerite actively participated in her husband's business affairs and shared a keen interest in technology and innovation. 3. The War of Currents. As George Westinghouse backed Tesla's AC system, Edison fiercely defended his DC system. The battle between these two electrical giants became known as the War of Currents. Edison launched a campaign to discredit alternating current, even publicly demonstrating the dangers of AC by electrocuting animals using AC power. His objective was to portray AC as unsafe to discourage its adoption. In contrast, Tesla and Westinghouse promoted AC's superiority for its ability to transmit electricity over long distances more efficiently and its safety in handling high voltages. 4. Marguerite's role. Marguerite Westinghouse played a pivotal role behind the scenes during the War of Currents. She was not merely a silent supporter of her husband, she actively engaged in discussions and strategic decisions. Marguerite was deeply influenced by Tesla's brilliance and his vision for AC power distribution. She used her intelligence and persuasive skills to advocate for Tesla's ideas within her husband's company. Marguerite's belief in the potential of AC power and her unwavering support for Tesla's technology had a significant impact on George Westinghouse's stance during the war. 5. The turning point. The turning point in the War of Currents came when George Westinghouse's company won the bid to electrify the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. Edison's company had bid for the contract, proposing to use DC power. Westinghouse and Tesla's AC system successfully powered the fair, showcasing its advantages over Edison's DC system. The fair's success was a turning point in the public's perception of AC as a viable and superior electrical distribution system. 6. Legacy and conclusion. The war of currents eventually subsided, and AC power emerged as the dominant standard for electrical distribution, thanks in part to Marguerite Westinghouse's influence and her support for Tesla's ideas. Today, the contributions of Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison continue to shape the modern world. Tesla's AC system remains the foundation of electrical power distribution worldwide. Marguerite Westinghouse's legacy often goes unnoticed, but her role in supporting Tesla and advocating for AC power was instrumental in shaping the course of history. And that's the untold story of Marguerite Westinghouse and her impact on the legendary rivalry between Tesla and Edison. Hope you enjoyed this unique perspective on the war of currents. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the past and the innovations of the future.